Welcome to classroom tip number 4. Now, in today's tip, we're going to first of all see how you can record a commentary and annotations to PowerPoint, then save it as a video, and then share it via Google Classroom. So to do this, you will need to open up the PowerPoint that you want to record the audio and annotations for. And once you are in the PowerPoint, and you're ready to record the annotations, then you'll need to click on the Slideshow tab up here. When you click on the Slideshow tab, then you will get this tab up here, and then you want to click on Record Slideshow. And if you click on this little down arrow here, it would give you a choice of starting recording from the beginning or the current slide. So you can record one slide at a time if you find that helpful. So once you've chosen to start recording, it will give you the following little dialog box where I would recommend that you'll want to have the slide and animation timings and the narrations, ink and laser pointing, and that's the kind of annotations. And then you can click on Start Recording. Once you do that, you will get a slideshow view, but then up here you get an extra little bit which has got a pause and on it a little arrow for the next slide, and tells you how long you've been recording for, and like that. At this point, you can, if you just want to record audio, then you can talk away before clicking onto the next slide. But what you might want to do is right click with the mouse button anywhere on the slide that you choose, and then you will get a little pop-up menu, and from the pop-up menu you can choose to have a laser pointer, which will just let you point things a bit like I'm doing at the moment. You can choose a pen and a highlighter, and you can even choose the ink color. One thing to note is that if you choose one of these things, then if you want to go back to a pointer that would let you click through on the slides, then you would have to right click again and get this, and then go back to choosing a pointer. But you can use the controls right at the bottom here to move on the slide. Okay, once you have finished that, you can end it and go back into PowerPoint. And once you're then in PowerPoint, you will need to click on the file up here. And then from the file, you'll need to choose Save As. And then you can choose where you want to save it, on this PC or one of your folders that you've used recently. And then when you do that, you get the little Save As dialog box, and then you'll obviously can give a name here, but you're going to want to change the Save As type here. So you want to click on here, and then it should give you a pop-up like this, and you want to choose the MPEG-4 video format, and then you can click on Save. Then it will take quite a long time for PowerPoint to output it as a long video. So you might want to go away and have a cup of tea at that point, but also you might want to try with a short version PowerPoint before you do a very long one. Okay, so that will have made this video file, MPEG-4 file for you. And once you've done that, then you can go into Google Classroom, select the class that you want, and then click on the Classwork tab, and then click on Create, and then you can choose a material, because this is going to be a video that you're posting. Once you do that, you will get the usual thing where you can give it a title, a description, choose if you want it to go to more than one class, just a subset of students, give it a topic so it neatly organizes itself, And you'll notice that this post here is greyed out because until you've written some stuff in here, it will not let you post anything. And then you will need to click on this add button. And when you click on the add button, it will let you choose. If it was already on your Google Drive, you could choose that, but maybe safer to choose file. Once you've done that, you can either drag and drop the file into here as you would to upload anything, or you can click on this select files and it will give you the dialog box to do that. And then once you've done that and populated it all that will be left is for you to click on post, or remembering what we did on Monday, you could click on here to schedule it so it will appear later, or save it as a draft. So that concludes our tip number 4.